Hello and Namaskar. Thank you for watching my videos on the physical share certificate procedures. In this particular video, we will talk about how to handle the case when all the registered shareholders in the folio have expired, or if there was a single holder in the folio and the single holder has expired, how will the claimants claim the ownership of the shares? So first of all, in such a case, we have to see whether the market value of the shares in the folio is more than rupees 5 lakhs or less than rupees 5 lakhs. The procedure differs for these two cases. We will take up a case first where the market value of the shares in the folio is less than rupees 5 lakh and all the shareholders have expired. In such a case, if the will is available, the company will transmit the shares to the claimant based on the legatee's name mentioned in the will. The legatees will have to write to the registrar enclosing their forms ISR 1 and ISR 2 and a copy of the will, requesting the registrar to send the procedure for transferring the shares in the names of the legatees. Now, if the market value of the folio is less than rupees 5 lakhs but no will is available, the claimants have to first get a legal heir certificate issued by the magistrate. The legal heirs have to write a letter to the registrar giving the copy of the death certificate and mentioning that these are the legal heirs who are the claimants for the shares in this folio. It is possible that only one of the legal heirs may want to claim. In such a case, that particular legal heir has to obtain a no objection from the other legal heirs that they have no objection if the company transmits the shares only to this particular legal heir. So whoever wants to claim the shares have to write to the registrar along with their ISR 1-2 forms mentioning the entire request. The registrar will then send them the formats for indemnity bond and affidavits, and in some cases they may want some additional documents to be submitted like a transmission form, and then once all these documents are received by the registrar, they will issue the shares in the name of the claimant. The second case is when the market value of the shares in the folio exceeds rupees 5 lakhs. So in such a case, the company will transfer the shares in the name of the successor or in the name of the person whose name is mentioned in the letter of administration issued by the court. So whoever is the claimant or whoever is the successor is to write a letter to the registrar, again enclosing form ISR 1 and these are non-negotiable. Forms ISR 1 and ISR 2 have to be enclosed with the request letter by the claimant. The company will then send the exact procedure, and the procedure, once it is fulfilled, the company will issue the shares in the name of the successor or the person who is named in the letter of administration. In the next video, we will talk about a more complicated case where all the shareholders in the folio have expired and the original share certificates are also not available. So till then, thank you and keep watching.